Good morning! Welcome to Emer Plus product presentation. Expect that during the entire course, you would probably gain value-added information from Emer Plus food supplement products. If you're ready, then let's start with Vitide, a soy micromolecule bioactive peptide formulated to sustain the ability of the cells to regenerate. Understand that cell regeneration is the life support of human body. Perhaps it is the building blocks of tissues, organs, and system. And as such, it is supported with sufficient amount of amino acids, proteins, and peptides, where every unit of the cell feeds from it. Amino acids is relevant in the formation of peptide in order to allow protein molecules to be absorbed by the cells. Cell death occurs every day to all human beings, and therefore, we need healthy and sufficient amount of peptide in order to slow down aging, prevent diseases, and other serious ailments. It also activates cellular activity and removes free radicals, repairs damaged cells, and restores cell structures, promotes cellular assimilative function and normalizes metabolism, strengthens immune system, and may prevent cell mutation. For optimum results, we highly recommend that you should drink Vitide every day for the next 6 months. Vitide is best when taken in the morning on an empty stomach. Another highly commendable product of Emery is Adwelle, a plant-based enzyme which features 5 active beneficial enzymes that can contribute to a healthy digestive system. Enzymes are biological molecules that significantly speed up the rate of virtually all of the chemical reactions that takes place within the cell. They are vital for life and a wide range of beneficial functions in the body, such as aiding in digestion and metabolism. Let's start with protease, an enzyme that breaks down the large molecule of protein into smaller molecules for absorption. Second is lipase, an enzyme that breaks down excessive fat in our cholesterol. The third enzyme is amylase, an enzyme that breaks down the carbohydrates. And the fourth enzyme is antioxidant enzymes, which helps the body eliminate free radicals from toxic elements. And one of the famous enzymes in the formulation of Adwelle is fibrinolytic enzyme, an enzyme that aids in the prevention of blood clot. In our commitment to deliver high-grade quality products, we have used 2 advanced and unique technology in the production of Adwelle. These 2 technologies are bioenzyme nutrition enhancement technology, or bioENZ. With bioENZ, we are able to increase the enzymatic activity of 5 enzyme formulation in our Adwelle to 470%, or 5 times higher than normal enzymes. Whereas speedy micronization elemental refining technology, or SMART technology, micronize the nutrients and in effect would result to fast absorption of nutrients after food intake. Consistent intake of Adwelle can be beneficial to our health, such as improves intestinal health, aids on anti-inflammation, prevents blood clot, prevents cancer, helps to increase metabolism, and assists in weight loss. Stay happy, stay simple, and thank you very much for watching.